Now, if you've been watching my cryptocurrency videos for any period of time, you know how I feel about cryptocurrency trading, trying to speculate on the market and make all these different types of moves that could potentially lose you money, and it's for good reason.
We didn't go up as much as I would have liked.
Right.
This shit went up. It went up 42% in a day, and then it dropped and did a 100% retrace and made new lows over the next 30 days. Really about 28, 29 days. That's crazy. Like,
Yeah.
did you expect one single day of China pump off of limit up on their stocks and 42% in a day?
No, not
Nope.
at all.
I don't think that's not representative of what Bitcoin normally does. Like, how many people got wrecked? If you were short, so first of all, you should never, ever, ever trade, okay? But if you're so stupid you can't take my advice, you have to trade, okay? Imagine being short on the 50/200 daily moving average death cross, where the death cross goes up 42% that day, destroys the shorts, the technical guys, destroys them. They're all dead now. And the longs are all very happy, and they probably added to their positions at the top. And now we get to go back down and retrace the entire 42% move and some more and liquidate all the longs. You're like, okay. So like longs wrecked, shorts wrecked. And now this is when the game is China, are they banning or unbanning this week? And is there a Ponzi starting or getting arrested? When that's the game, which it currently is, if you think you're qualified to win that game, you're stupid and you're wrong, right? Unless you're in China and you have news ahead of time, you're going to get your chopped up, period.
Right.
Because you could draw all the lines you want, and all the lines you want aren't going to tell you what the China news agency is going to publish that day. You can shove those lines up your ass. So I'm telling you, stop getting chopped up, stop trading.
Now, that was a clip of Richard Hart, which is one of the most inspirational influencers in cryptocurrency that I have ever watched. He's great. Go subscribe to his channel for sure. He's going to give you all types of insights about cryptocurrency that most people just do not know. And he seems to share the same opinion as me, right? Trading is just way too much, right? Especially in the most volatile market of the world. China manipulates it a lot, and I do not recommend it. If you want to get wrecked, if you want to get chopped up in little pieces, go ahead and do your thing. But what if you could find an expert trader? What if you could find someone to manage your money so that you don't have to really worry about it? You could be a more productive human being, go do something else that actually makes money, and let them kind of increase your portfolio over time. Well, there is a solution. It's called Etoro, okay? Where you could literally just copy other traders. You could just copy them and you can see their past performance and see how good they've done. So you make sure that your investment doesn't go to waste. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about that and I'm reviewing the website. Keep watching. What's going on, everybody? Alex back with another cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be talking about Etoro. Okay, this is basically a social media trading platform that you can actually go and copy expert traders. Now, I don't condone training for yourself. I think everybody should know what technical analysis is and have a very good, understanding of how these charts and how the market works. But actually trading yourself in cryptocurrency is a very hard thing. And I think a lot of people agree with me on that, right? The best thing to do in cryptocurrency is to accumulate over time. But for the purposes of this video, I do want to show you Etoro because I think it is very interesting. You can buy various cryptocurrency assets just like any other exchange with fiat currency. And you can copy some expert traders. Now, the reason why I haven't made this video in the past is because they just now launched this feature for United States customers to actually copy traders. Like I said, back in the day, I did make Etoro, but you couldn't copy traders. Like whatever regulations or laws that, applied at the time got lifted, and now you can. So though their community is small, I would say that it's probably going to grow because I looked at, different countries, communities and stuff like that, and it's pretty good. Like there's thousands of people watching and trading certain guys. And, so let me just jump over here and show you guys. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, my name is Alex and I talk about everything cryptocurrency and entrepreneurship. So if you are an entrepreneur trying to make some money on the internet, this is definitely the channel for you. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as well as the push notification bell so you can get the videos first, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly go through Etoro, okay? I'm gonna show you the various features, pretty simple and straightforward. But to ethically bribe you to watch the whole video to the end, I'm gonna be giving you guys some crazy details on what's happening to Bitcoin right now. So let me just show you really quickly. Bitcoin has been taking a nosedive, and I can't give you guys the exact reason because nobody knows. But what I could tell you is I see some very interesting moves. There's like $300 million being moved in specific times. But watch to the end of this video to get that information. Look, there are these tabs right here. I'll go through it with you, okay? But let's just jump through Etoro so I can show you what this is all about. So right here, as you can see, this new tab feature, you can copy traders. You click that tab right there, and you got all these expert traders that probably know way more about this than I do. Now, I'm not saying, they're going to make you a ridiculous sum of cash if you just follow them and just kind of close your eyes. But what I am saying is that if you're going to trade, you're probably better off following these guys, right? Seeing what they have to offer. And there's a feature that you can just literally click on them and follow them. Literally copy their trades step by step. All you have to do is to deposit funds into your account. Now, again, guys, this is just like any other, cryptocurrency exchange. So, do you leave your currencies on here? Maybe for as long as it trades, or maybe you could just come in and see what they're doing. It's really up to you. So, I mean, you can see this guy here has been trading, he has an average holding time of 5 months, been trading, not even that long, for less than a year. And he's already 56% profitable. That's not that bad, honestly. And he has, pretty good days, as you can see here. I mean, this is months, sorry. And you can check his portfolio, see what he's holding currently. So, I mean, this is down. Bitcoin, but I guess he bought it at a certain point. Bitcoin's up. Let's see the chart here. This is, I guess, the profitability of his trades. You got a feed. So that's another thing about this that's pretty crazy, in my opinion, is that it's basically a social media platform for traders. So they have a whole community that you can get involved with, right? And you can post for yourself. So I can post something new here if trading's your thing. I could at him in this situation, right? It's pretty interesting. Another thing that I liked about this that's pretty cool is that you can not only copy trades, but you can copy portfolios. Now, these portfolios are down, but if you were to copy this one, they have different assets, right here, look, combined performance of top cryptocurrencies. It's expertly managed, regularly rebalanced portfolio. So they'll automatically rebalance it. You just got to pick what you want to do. And this website has a lot of options. I think the greatest part about it is that it's a social media platform to learn for people that are just got into cryptocurrencies. Personally, again, like I said, I just hold for the long run. But I have the emotional intelligence to do that. A lot of people, they want to trade because they think it's going to, fall or whatever. And that's what they want to do. There was times where I was waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, to check pricing and charts because there is no closed market in cryptocurrency. And that's the time when I was trading. And, I realized from personal experience, it's not that big of a deal. So I rather just hold. And in this case, I'm going to play around with about $500 and see if I can find like an expert trader that's going to do something, pretty good. Now, just to show you guys, for example, when you click copy traders, not a lot of traders here. Top performing, there's not a lot. These guys only have 75 copiers, 101 copiers. Now, when I was in Etoro last time, it would give me access to, like, for example, people that traded in Europe or something like that. I am not allowed to follow traders in Europe, but when I did see their profile, they had like 4,000, 6,000 people following them. So I could see that in other countries that this is more developed, they do have some pretty strong communities. So this is an opportunity for someone that's probably, look, they even have Data Dash, right? All these people, this is an opportunity for you guys to go in there and create a name for yourself, right? He's down, let's see Data Dash. He's a pretty cool cryptocurrency channel that I like to follow, but I mean, he's down. Like, it looks like he just started trading. He only has 14 copiers. But yeah, I mean, guys, I'm not going to create a trading community here. For sure not. I tell you guys everything I do. Oh, look here, look, 66 results, 66 people doing this. and they're all down because all cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency's been down so far. So my trading strategy is right now you should probably be buying some cryptocurrency, accumulate over time, dollar cost average. But I do see this community growing pretty large. I do think that it's very convenient in the fact that you can have a social media platform. One other thing that I think is really important, guys, by the way, if you watch this video this far and you like Etoro, do me a favor, use my link below so I can make more videos and do this for a living. I recently quit my job. So this is definitely something I'm going to be doing full time, pumping out some high quality videos for you guys. You know, it's as simple as using my links and stuff like that. It's going to keep me going, keep this YouTube channel flowing, guys. And by the way, I'm also dropping a course soon. I think it's going to be next Wednesday. Not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that, but it's going to be about cryptocurrency transactions. So if you want to buy, sell cryptocurrency, I have a price prediction, Excel spreadsheet that I'm giving. It's Google Sheets that I'm giving you access to for free, 100% free. And I also will be launching a part of my digital course, which is called Cryptocurrency Customer Service. I don't know if that's going to be the exact name, but I'm going to provide you guys a line that you can call 24/7, 365 to get customer service with cryptocurrency. If you have coins locked somewhere that you want to get it out, if you don't know how to send a transaction, if something's going on, you can give these people a call and you have full access to getting it all solved. I noticed that there has not been, a customer service line in cryptocurrency. And I think I'm going to put that to utilization and help a lot of people out in that sense. But yeah, that's it for this video. Another thing you could do is invite your friends. You can get up to $500. That's what I'm doing right now, right? You can support my channel by just, if you want to buy cryptocurrencies and use Etoro, use my link. I get $50 and you get $50, right? And then you can go to your friend and get an extra $50, right? That's the great part about this, in my opinion. You can use my referral link and everything like that. But that's pretty it for this video. Invite friends, make that. You can withdraw. It's just like a regular exchange, except for the fact that it has, social media built into it, as well as you can copy traders. So if you're lazy, don't want to learn trading, I would recommend you learn a little bit, but you can copy the traders, man. There's websites, keep in mind, there's websites that you would have to pay for to get access to like signals, like for example, Signal Profits. This is free. So that's something to take in consideration. That's something to think about. But for the final part of this video, I wanted to show you guys something very interesting that I've been seeing in the market. I'm not going to say it's manipulating the market, but it's pretty crazy. So for example, this is a block explorer. And I talk about this in my new cryptocurrency course, by the way. I'm going to go into like the block explorer and explain how it works for each like cryptocurrency. But basically you can see the public ledger of all transactions. And there's this one massive Bitcoin move. Now, back in this date right here, this person put 47,000, let me say that again, 47,000 Bitcoins into a certain address. And I'm going to pull up this chart here because I want to show you. This is the exact date right here. And look, you notice there's a lot of green. You notice that we kind of rallied a little bit since then. Okay. That was about 6 months ago. They put this money in there, kind of rallied. Now, this is something really interesting because that same 47,000 Bitcoin, which is, again, guys, equivalent to 345 million US dollars. 345 million US dollars. 47,000 Bitcoin was taken from that address. Somebody moved it from this address to I don't even know where, but look, I don't know if it's an exchange. It could be an exchange. It could be a whale with a huge lump sum of cash. I don't know. There's no way to tell. You could only just see the address, right? They moved it over here on this date, which is today. They moved it. So look at the correlation here. Look at the correlation. Around this point, they put it in the address, and now at this point, they're moving it somewhere. Are they going to dump it? Who knows? But I know that they think that that $7,000 line is very important. And maybe it's important for you. I'm not going to draw any specific conclusions because that would all be speculation. I'm just showing you the facts. This guy clearly thinks that that $7,000 point is very important. Okay, guys? But that's it for this video. If you like the quality of this content, do me a favor, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism, subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with this technology, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.